Land Cruiser twin turbo GR Sport variant. H4 all-time four-wheel drive. Push in L4. Center diff lock. Turn assist. Crawl control. Multi-terrain select. And different drive modes. Parking brake. Auto hold. And tilt shifter knob. GR Sport Start Plus. The Start also has a different button to that. Fantastic feel. Lot of space. Lot of space in the back as well. Crazy space. Basically, you can open it from this side and that side. That's how it works. And it's a cool glow box. And this is a wireless charging pad. You got your cruise control settings. Heated ventilated seats. Glow box. Oh, that's a huge glow box. You've got a panoramic sunroof. Not panoramic, I'm sorry. It's just the regular sunroof.